So 1000 graft that harvested is planted around this area and this area behind here. Now here we plant more close to create more density, and the hairline, here we plant a hairline, very natural. We use a single hair in a graft that to put around the hairline, and we create a zigzag irregularity to mimic what is a natural hair appearance looks like. And around here too, we plant it in a right angle, so the hair when it grows, it will go in the right angle and it pointing this way down like this. So this he just completed the Smart FUE 1000 graft just over. There's no bleeding, there's not much swelling, and you can see it's very clean. So that's what I want to talk today, to show everybody how a hair restoration is done with a Smart FUE technique.